Welcome to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Hello, 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 and praise the Lord. I pray that you're doing wonderful this morning, this evening, whatever time you get to watch this. I wanted to come to you all and share with you some makeup. You all know that I love to get beautified here and there. I am so glad to have come across this makeup brand line. Is called Serve Cosmetics. I'm super excited about it. Let's get into looking at this. So I had to pop this baby open, okay? And I absolutely love it. I love the little matte packaging. It looks so chic, just nice and simple. And then it says, Serve Cosmetics by Alyssa Thompson, paraben and talc free. Yes, 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 check. All right. And so on the back of the box, you're going to find all of the ingredients that is inside of it, inside of the matte shadows, and you're going to find all of the ingredients inside of the shimmer ingredients. Even what the carton is made of from recycled paper. So she is, on top of the environment and all of that good stuff. This is Serve Cosmetics. It's on there by Alyssa Thompson. It's a nice long size. It's not, a short one, a small one, a sample size. It's the packaging for me. Look at that. Ooh. Anyway, here are those beautiful lashes. So you can see it has like the, all of the wispy. Look at that. But that looks so natural. So I'm going to open this first one, and I can't even remember what the name of the one that I ordered, but we'll see. And look, 2 Corinthians 1:20. Oh my goodness. Yes. Serve. Ephesians 3:20. Now unto him who is able. Get her clear gloss too, okay? Like, this color is a beautiful, like, in between. Well, let's get it on our lips, but that color is just like a universal kind of berryish kind of red. So let's get into this palette, into our Serve Cosmetics palette. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I don't want to get my little fingerprints all over. Push and pop open. Love it. Look at that. A nice big mirror. So as you're doing your makeup, oh my goodness, you can just go ahead or even sit it down and use that. That mirror is the bomb. And show you all this beautiful palette. Do you see that? Do you see those colors? So I am going to start by priming my eye with Shape Tape by Tarte Cosmetics. And this eye look is pretty much self-explanatory. So while you are looking at this, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about the palette. And because there's no names for the palette, which it doesn't really matter, I'm going to show you each shadow before I apply it to my lid. Now, this palette to me is perfect for soft glam looks. Those who love to wear shadow, who love soft looks. You want that glam look, but you want it to be super soft. I've met people who said, I want, to be made up, but not look made up. I still want to look like myself. And so these colors are very soft. They're very neutral, and they're going to give you that very soft look. And as you see, and as I continue to go, you're going to see how everything intensifies. Even that purple, see how it's very soft when you put on there. Depending on the base and what you put underneath of shadow, you will and you can cause it to intensify even the more. But I just stuck with, a regular old, not old, but a regular, concealer. I didn't put any type of eyeshadow bases underneath of it, so you could see the true colors and intensity of these shadows. And it is definitely a palette that I would use if I had to go somewhere where I didn't want to do too much. or if I just wanted a soft, beautiful look where you want your face to be the shine, but still be made up. And as you can see, there was a kind of darker brown in there if I wanted to intensify the eye even more. But I just wanted to keep it simple for this look. It was simple, but like I said, also, glamorous. I believe this is beautiful for, this is a beautiful palette for doing like a bridal party where you want them to just look, just beautiful, soft glam, something soft. I believe that this is a beautiful palette for a special occasion. I believe that even women of God who speak and do different things, if you don't want anything too much, you want to have a palette where the look is just very soft. I think that this is awesome. Or if you're on a business meeting or a trip or something and you want to take something where you just aren't just about to go to a prom, not that you can't do this for a prom, but in my opinion, this is for special occasions, but it's a palette. You can see by the colors that it is going to give you a soft, natural, and beautiful look. So I went ahead and I did a thick wing liner just to intensify the look just a little bit. And that's what you can do. I love how that purple just popped. And it is a true purple, but on the camera, it's coming off to look a little pinkish because of my lighting. But it all just flows together. So I'm going to continue letting you see me do the rest of my face because I'm pretty much done with the eyes except for putting on the lashes. I purchased lashes, as you're about to see, and these are super duper natural looking. Like I said, I thought about my ladies who love just very simple natural looks where the eyelash isn't too bold. It's enough pop when you turn to the side and you look, but you don't feel uncomfortable. So like I said, this is going to be very soft. The eyelashes are going to be very light, and we are just going to complete the face. See that? Like I'm like popping. And I love that purple. Beautiful. And so I went into full holiday cheer. Look here. You can't tell me Ephesians 3:20 is not hidden. Absolutely love it. So that's it for this makeup tutorial using Serve Cosmetics palette. Absolutely, I just can't get over these two lipsticks. It's gonna look beautiful on basically every skin tone. This is beautiful.